you deserve to. Girl, I know your last man would desert you. You don't gotta worry, I won't hurt you, but it hurt to go without you every day and every night. When you're one call away from being right by my side. Now, girl, why don't you stay in me and you talk about it? I ain't never.
너무 좋아요. 저 너무 좋아요.
진짜 밝다. 끝에 많이 안 상한 것 같은데요? 아닌가? 그러니까 상하긴 상했겠지만 제 말은 보랏빛 나오는데요? 이제 적응이 되었다.
이제 적응이 됐어요.
여러 번 해서 이제 적응이 됐어.
Do you want me? Say I love you. Do you love me? I say I need you. Do you need me like I need you? Baby, I want you. Do you want me? Say I love you. Do you love me? I say I need you.
보랏빛 진짜 많이 안 상한 것 같은데.
최대한 안 상하게 했어.
항상 감사합니다.
많이 넣었어요. 이것저것 많이 넣었어요.
인사 한 번만.
Hi everyone. I've got a webinar to attend at 2:30, so I'm just waiting for it. So a lot of my friends are already in the UK because they already started their work, and I'm just starting mine in the second week of August. So I'm flying back to the UK very soon, but this one's arranged on today, so I just have to listen to this here. I've officially graduated this school, but they decided to arrange this session to support our pre-reg. Well, just in case you didn't know about this pre-reg, basically in the UK, to be a registered pharmacist, you need an MPharm degree and you need to finish 52 weeks of pre-registration year and you need to pass the registration exam. So I've done only the first step, so I got to do the second step, which is the pre-reg year. So I actually got an offer from my pharmacist in at the end of year 2. All the people there were so nice, the pharmacists, the technicians, everyone's so nice. And when I got an offer, I basically just explained that as I'm an international student, I need a visa, so they need to sponsor my visa. And she was like, oh, so could you just look for more information for how to do it and everything? So I was like, yeah, sure. So I looked for some more information and I just told her what I've got. And she said, oh, I'm happy to pay that money to hire you. So I was like, that's amazing. So yeah, that's basically how I get to work there. I've got 10 minutes left, so I think I'm just gonna double check the ID and the passport thing because I'm still just not really used to this Zoom thing.
You should be able to hear me and you should also be able to see me because I'm on video. Okay. Just a few things before we start. I know it'll be absolutely huge, but can people find the chat function again in the Zoom and just introduce yourself? You can also use the reactions to give me a thumbs up. Yep, so that's there too for you as well. Okay. We asked people.
Шүлнээс аваад тэгээд нэг мистэй салаад тэгээд нэг сүүтэй цай тийм мөрөө хашиндаг. Тэгвэл нэг сүүтэй цай, нэг кола тэгээд 여기까지 하고 있는 거야? 근데 언니 어때?
참 밝아요, 언니.
손을 보였어? 뒷말이
되게 행복해 보이는데.
이거에서 보자.
trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hand out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be
사랑아, 생일 축하한다. 이게
If it's fine
최선이었다.
by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through everything around us, feeling minuscule.
왜 이렇게 어둡지? 됐다. 밝아졌어. 너 앞치마 되게 잘 어울린다.
그래서 이 꽃을 잡는 방향을 가지고 말을 하는데요. 한쪽
이렇게 되는데. 소질 없는 걸로. 자랑해줘야지.
But that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive.
너무 예쁘다. 근데 그거는 도움이 필요한 이거 신기하다. 되게 같은 꽃이 이렇게 전혀 다르게 나타나네.
Just so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night.
살짝? 너무 잘했는데? 근데 분명히 내 손을 떠날 때보다 뭔가 엄청 업그레이드되긴 했어.
We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
to you.
I got my hands on the wheel,
Happy birthday to you. 사랑하는 서연이. Happy birthday to you.
Are we going again?
부르렴.
Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
임무가 있으니까
네.
시계 배달했습니다.
감사합니다.
오늘 첫 배달이십니다.
와. 감사합니다. 와. 저는 제가 당첨될 줄 꿈에도 몰랐어요.
진짜요? 그럼 그게 아예 막 아예 나오는 것 자체가 안 되는 거예요? 아니면
오늘도 허락 받고.
허락을 받고?
네.
If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through everything around us, feeling minuscule.
감사합니다.
감사합니다. 반가웠습니다. 끝. 이제 배송 성공 한 번만 같이 외쳐주세요.
배송 성공.
하나 둘 셋 하면.
네 알겠습니다.
하나 둘 셋. 배송 성공.
이렇게 가리시던데.
맞아요. 이렇게 해요.
Take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Hola! So I landed in Jeju. The weather forecast says it's gonna be raining from 8 p.m. tonight in Jeju here. So the weather right now is actually so nice.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
Oh no.
Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight
바람님이세요? 안녕하세요. 대박.
계속 날리고.
가라님, 저한테 하고 싶은 거 있어요? 이미 엄청 많이 했지만 우리 한 2시간 동안 지금 수다를 떨고 오늘 만나서 너무 좋았고 모든 구독자님들이 저처럼 생각할 거예요. 제이님 덕분에 영상에서 정말 많은 위로를 받았거든요. 되게 제가 시킨 것 같지만 아닌데 너무 반가웠어요. 안녕.
Hola everyone. So today is the last day of this delivery event and I'm going to Gunsan today. Gunsan is like 3 hours away from Seoul, so I didn't really think that's going to be a good idea to go there as a day trip, so I decided to stay there for one night. Hopefully I can deliver the watch safely to my subscriber and enjoy Gunsan as well. See you guys!
군산에 배달 왔습니다. 마스크도 벗어도 괜찮으니까. 시계 배달 왔어요. 저 봉투가 없어가지고. 진짜.
Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sunrise. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
특이한 나름 번외편 느낌인데요. 이분은 주문을 하시고 당첨이 되면 좋은데 만약에 안 되면 시계를 구독자가 주는 선물처럼 생각을 하셔서 일단 시계 배달 왔습니다. 감사합니다.
진짜 별거 아닌데 이거 말랑카우.
저 좋아해요. 진짜 옛날 영상인데.
말랑카우 냄새가 선하거든요.
아 진짜요?
네,
맛있겠는데요?
I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through everything around us, feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger